what are we supposed to watch out for as this political maneuvering plays out in the next few months?
Well, ako ako immediate interest ko given what happened last night in the Senate or yesterday in the Senate. Ang tanong ko ngayon, kailan mag-uumpisa yung impeachment trial? Kasi kung hindi yan uumpisahan ngayong 19th Congress, hindi yan matatapos, at uumpisahan pa lang sa 20th Congress, that might lead to legal complications or constitutional complications or constitutional issues that might give the Vice President an opportunity to question the validity and constitutionality of the impeachment trial pag mag-uumpisa pa lang sa 20th Congress. Kasi biruin nyo final yung impeachment complaint at inapprove nung 19th Congress. Pero yung trial mag-start at pwede mag-end sa 20th Congress. So baka magkaroon pa ng opportunity si Vice President na dalhin ito, questionin sa Supreme Court at maging favorable pa sa kanya.
So ibig nyo sabihin, Professor, kahit naka-recess ang Congress, pwede silang mag-convene. Pwede silang mag-convene para pag-usapan, i-agenda itong impeachment articles na tinransmit sa kanila ang Senate, no? At the same time, para makapag-outline sila ng rules, and therefore, pag na-outline yung rules, pwede na silang mag-constitute ng impeachment court to avoid that certain legal implication or complication in the next Congress. Tama po ba yun?
Well, there are legal experts na may ganyang theory po, no? Na since this is not a legislative
it's a political exercise.
So hindi yan covered ng legislative calendar. So pwede magkaroon ng special session and then siguro i-amend nila yung rules nila in order to start with the impeachment trial.
Ayan.
But that's just a theory. Ngayon parang
yun nga po.
Ng Senate natin parang play safe nga sila. Ayaw nilang umpisahan.
Kasi nga po mag-i-election.
Ayan. Exactly. Okay.
Hindi kaya, i-postpone na lang yung election, iunahin yung impeachment.
Hindi pwede yun.
Joke lang po.
So, yun pala ang So, that's the most interesting